In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a snippet using the HubSpot platform. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking for a clearer understanding of how to utilize snippets effectively, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, navigate over to the HubSpot user guide by visiting the dedicated page on the HubSpot website. Getting accustomed to this user guide is a handy way to familiarize yourself with various HubSpot features and gain valuable insights whenever you're learning on your own. Once you're on the user guide page, look for the CRM section and click on it. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's essentially where all of your customer interactions are managed in HubSpot. It's a powerful tool that can help streamline your sales, marketing, and customer service efforts. After you have opened the CRM section, the next step is to look for the Snippets option. Snippets are particularly useful for creating bits of boilerplate text that you can insert into emails or notes quickly. Click on Snippets to move forward. Now that you're in the Snippets section, you'll want to click on the Create Snippet button. This will open up a new interface where you can start crafting your snippet. Your first task in creating a snippet will be to provide an internal name. The internal name is essentially a way for you to identify the snippet later, so pick something descriptive that will make it easy to remember what the snippet is about. After naming your snippet, you'll move on to the Snippet Text section. This is where you enter the actual text that the snippet will insert. Make sure your snippet text is concise yet covers all necessary points you need often. This will save you time in the long run. Next, define a shortcut for your snippet. A shortcut is a quick way to bring up your snippet in HubSpot. Choose a shortcut that's intuitive and easy to remember, typically a short combination of characters that doesn't conflict with other shortcuts you might be using. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields in the snippet interface, go ahead and click on Save Snippet. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your work is saved and your newly created snippet is ready to use whenever you need it. And there you have it. You have successfully created a snippet within HubSpot, a handy tool that will certainly aid in enhancing the efficiency of your day-to-day operations, whether it's in drafting emails or preparing notes. With just a few simple clicks, you've set yourself up with a great way to streamline your tasks. Be sure to explore and take advantage of more helpful features within HubSpot to further optimize your workflow.